Hello, my dear friends and followers. Today I'm reaching out with a message that's both heartfelt and significant. Over the past months together, we've been exploring the issue of climate change and feelings related to it. And through my videos, I've shared strategies and recommendations for coping with climate anxiety, both adults and younger generations. I was trying to connect our feelings with actionable steps. It's been a long way, and we looked into how art reflects on environmental issues. We discussed the benefits of a circular economy and recycling plastics and many more. I'm glad to hear that some of you found these insights helpful, and I really appreciate you watching and responding to my videos. However, I need to be honest, topics about climate change aren't the most popular on YouTube. And you've asked me for easy life hacks, but that's not really my style. I focus more on the science behind things. Whenever I find a real effective tip that actually makes a difference, not just a quick fix, I promise to share it with you. However, despite my best efforts to engage and to inform, I understand that the topic of climate change, while crucial, it's overwhelming. And it's a complex issue, and quite frankly, it's hard for all of us to maintain a continuous interest. And that isn't about the information being complicated, it's about how this topic connects to our emotions. And as a psychologist, I understand that the reality of climate change can evoke feelings of anxiety, helplessness, and denial, and it's a heavy burden to bear. And for many, it's a topic they'd rather keep at arm's length. And recognizing this, I've made a heartfelt decision. It's time for us to shift our focus. While the climate crisis remains a backdrop to our reality, I believe our journey needs to evolve. From this point forward, I'll be dedicating more of our space to supporting you through the emotional and psychological aspects of living in these times. Instead of deep diving into theory, which you can always revisit in my previous videos, we'll be taking a different path. Together, we will focus on psychological support. I plan more often host online webinars and discussions, and you will have an opportunity to join workshops dedicated to coping with climate anxiety. I believe this shift will allow us to connect on a deeper level, creating a space where we can explore our vulnerabilities and share our anxieties and find collective strength. Of course, it's not about turning away from the reality of climate change, but about ensuring we're mentally and emotionally equipped to face it. Actually, right now, it doesn't matter so much whether you believe in the climate crisis or not. The reality is that it's becoming part of our conversations, our thoughts, want it or not. And for many, a source of anxiety, especially among young people. So I suggest not to carry the weight of your anxiety in solitude. It's far too heavy for just one person to bear. And as you've maybe already realized from our journey together, I'm not about offering quick fixes. Instead, I'm advocating for a more meaningful approach, taking responsibility for our choices and well-being. It's about making conscious decisions and finding ways to support our spirits and our loved ones in the midst of climate crisis. So this is your invitation to become part of the community that is committed to learning and building support networks together. So also I'm excited about this new direction, and I truly hope it resonates with you. I look forward to seeing more of you in our upcoming sessions. Please write me what you would like to learn on my channel. And thank you for being part of this journey. Your engagement, advice, and willingness to grow means the world. Until we meet again, take care of yourselves and each other. Goodbye.
Mm-hmm.